morning. Today we're going to do a very easy and quick hairstyle on this very short hair.
First, we're going to start off by parting the front section into a box sort of shape, leaving a little bit of hair out in the front.
I'm learning how to part. I'm going to use Eco Styling Gel.
So the use of Eco Styling Gel is inspired by Alita, who commented on my Jada with a braid video that she wanted to do the hairstyle but didn't know if Eco Styling Gel would actually work for her. It doesn't work for me neither, but this is something I tried to make it work a little more better than it usually does. So keep watching. So apply the gel and then brush through the hair and continue brushing all the way around. I have really short hair at the back that tends to stick out whenever I brush my hair up, so I try to just continue brushing and then go in with a shoelace. That's what I use to tie around, and just pull that up as I go, and also tie it a little bit in front as I go so that it's tight enough, it doesn't become too loose. Once I got done with that, I got some Eco Styling Gel and then put it onto my hair to make some twist. So I went on and did that all around the hair just to try to make sure that it's a little bit more defined with the twist. Once I was done with that, I proceeded to the front parts and just undid the little African thread that I had on and just parted my hair and did smaller twists in front. I also used a little bit of gel on these twists as well, just to help keep them defined.
Wait. Why is it doing a Nike?
So Eco Styling Gel, being a water-based gel, made my hair shrink so much, and it shrunk in all directions.
My hair has shrunk and it's in all directions. It's supposed to come down like that.
So I just finished off the last twist and decided to fix the whole shrinkage in different directions. I went on and blow dried my hair because I just wanted to lay in one direction and not just everywhere. So I blow dried it, holding my hair down to make sure it goes in one direction, and also blow dried the back to make sure that my twist dries up so that when it comes out
I think we did
well
something,
defined.
guys. The bangs. The bangs.
Okay, so the blow drying actually helped. I'm glad it did. Next up, I just go in and unravel the twist at the back to just get those curls separated, but it didn't work out as I thought it would. It wasn't as curly.
The next step, pin them in place. So I'm going to try that, and if it doesn't work, we'll find a way. Find your way back. Big one, but you got it, baby.
So then I just went on and just pinned the hair down, just grabbing each section and pinning it down. I made sure to not brush the hair, to not comb the hair all the way through the end.
So if you're asking, what was the purpose of the twist? I don't know. I don't know neither. You and I, we need to find out together.
So the twist part ended up being a fail, obviously, as you've already seen. I just brushed through my hair all the way this time.
I combed through the whole. It's not like there's any difference between just uncombed hair and this twist out. I feel like we're going somewhere. I feel like we are on our way.
So then I just continued pinning the hair down, going round, and afterwards I went inwards as well and pinned those ones down as well, just taking each part, pinning it down. And then after that, I just made sure that everything was in place and no pins were showing. Then fluffed out the hair just to add a little bit of volume, and just went round, just kept on fluffing out the hair. So after that, I got some Eco Styling Gel, removed the shoelace end, applied some Eco Styling Gel on my hair again because my hair wasn't laid the first time, so I kept on brushing it up all the way, and then put back the shoelace and just make sure that you're not disturbing the top part. You're still keeping your pattern well in place.
I'm going to try and lay my edges with Eco Styling Gel today. I don't know how to lay edges, I just need my baby hairs to not be standing, okay? They don't need to lay, they just need to not stand. They could just squat or something. Okay, whatever.
So now that I was done with that, I went on the cloth and tied my hair down, trying to make sure that my little twist is in front.
Okay, so I put 3 different pieces of cloth on. The first one, second one, third one. And now I can't hear anything because my ears are part of the process. The things I go through to just lay my hair down.
So I then waited for 30 minutes and I came back and this is what it looked like.
What does it look like if I unravel the twist though? Can we make 2 looks out of this? Let's try. I feel like the more we learn about our hair, the more we find it a little more easier to deal with it each day. I'm not saying it's easy, but I feel like it gets better once we learn. So if you want to learn with me, join me on this journey by subscribing and turn notifications so that you don't miss any uploads that I post. And like this video so it helps spread to more people. And I'll see you in this video right here.